Every business, if you're a business owner, it is important for you to have a website. In my video today, I'll be telling us how to build a website using GetResponse. It's a new design, it's a new stuff that they just brought on their website, on their site. And GetResponse is a service provider for email marketing. So now I'll be giving us some few tips on the importance of a website. If you don't have a website, they say the world is now in our hands and information is at our fingertips. So every business must have a website if you want your business to grow. Do I need a website? Yes. The first thing you need, because of the 24, it gives you 24/7 online presence. There are 12 reasons here. It gives you 24/7 online presence, 24/7 customer support, information exchange, establish credibility and build trust with your customers or clients. Professional website design, which you can use GetResponse. You'll see it in the video. Sales, it gives you more sales revenue. It has cost effective visibility of your brand, of your business, and marketing. You can as well sleep and wake up to see deliveries waiting for you. Portfolio and growth opportunity. So you will see how to build a website using GetResponse. Thank you, and please subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to press the notification bell and watch this video to the end. Thank you. Hello tech lovers, today we'll be discussing about GetResponse, how to use the website builder inside GetResponse. What do I mean by if you don't know the meaning of GetResponse? GetResponse is a service provider that helps you manage your email services like email marketing. So it's easily integrated to your website. So today GetResponse is introduced a new a new product on their website called website builders. We have different usage of this in the website. If you want me to do a full tutorial of how to use GetResponse, comment below. But this is email marketing, auto response. It's very good. You can actually do your paid advert inside GetResponse. So you can create a form and survey, landing page, conversion funnel. But today, my main focus is on website builder. So I'm going to click on the website builder. It's so user friendly because you can actually do this yourself, and under 15 minutes you are done with your website. You can create your website in 15 minutes without no code, no coding, nothing. You can create your website, GetResponse. Isn't that interesting? So now I am going to create a demo website. I'm not going to do a full website, but if you want me to do a full website, comment below. I will try and do a few websites. So now I'm going to, but how do you want to build a website? So we have 3 stages, but this is the last one is coming soon. That's import a website. You can actually import website and recreate the website GetResponse, but it's not valid now. It says coming soon. So now we're going to use a ready template, which I'm going to click. So depending on your niche, right, you can do a lot of you can do a lot of a lot of design, lots of websites. You can, if you're a beauty and fitness, book and literature, business and industry, computer and electronics, finance, food and drinks, health, hobby, lectures, homes and garden, any design of your niche. And if you are into real estate also, you can also create it. They're already ready-made website here for you. All you just need to do is just put your logo, your color, and your write-up, and voila, your website is ready under 15 minutes. So now we're going to do a personal, no, let's do an e-commerce website. Let's see how a e-commerce website looks like. So this is it. I want to sell computer and electronics, right? So I'm going to choose this template. I'm going to put my design. If I don't like the background of this picture, I will change everything totally. Call to action. And the good thing about this website is immediately it creates an integrated email list for you. So as they insert their email, immediately you get it at the back end the, of the GetResponse. And another good news about GetResponse is that the first 30 days, which is the first 1 month, is free. And after the 30 days, you can you start paying a token. So I have an affiliate link which I'm going to put in the description link and comments. I will pin it also in the comment section. So anyone that use the affiliate link, you will get a good deal, get response, because this get response is sponsored by, yeah, this website builder is sponsored by GetResponse. So there's an affiliate link. GetResponse is going to give me my percentage. I'm not adding anything to it. So this is just create it. If you don't like all this picture with this electronics, just put different designs. Call to action, call to action. What do I mean by call to action? It's just you can change this to book me, buy or buy now. Call, contact me now. Just put it any You just put it the way you want it. And we have, this is a simple website, right? You can put your logo here. You can put your, this is the home page. This is the home page, and this is how we're going to be designing. You can change the front. You can change everything. You can change the color. Just like you don't need to code anything. And see, if you have a YouTube channel, you can put your link, you can put your Instagram link here too. You can also put your website link. Contact us. You design it also. You write about yourself, about your business. And this is, I said I'm going to put the template I chose was computer and electronics. So this is helpful. So if I don't want phone, if I want to put something else, I can as well change this. I can as well change this and change the font and all that. So as I said, this is just a demo. So now we're going to move to the next thing. Let's see what's there. You can change the section, site menu. You can put a text of your choice. Then we have the button sign, which is call to action. You can change your image, you can add your email, you can also add a video to any of the any you can add a video, divider, spacer, social media. You can also link to social media. And if you have some pictures in the gallery, you can go directly, and you can also create a form, a timer. It's so user friendly. Under 15 minutes, you are done creating your website. So Let's go to the next one. We want to connect it to a domain name. So now it brought me here. It said I should choose a domain name to use because the template I use is just a demo. I don't have a website name to put here. But if you want me to do a full tutorial on this, comment below and I'm going to do a full tutorial on it. So just let me just do like a demo. It's like the tech business series. Let's see what will happen. The tech business series. Let's see if you can buy a domain name. And this website, okay. Then let's publish. I don't want to publish it. Okay, so it says buy domain name or connect a domain name you own. You can also connect a domain name you have, right? Add a domain name. I think this is what's happening. It's not publishing. Yeah, it has changed. So if you want to buy a domain name, enter a name and can search your domain name here. But let's go back to this place. Yeah, because it's not published, right? So I just want to. This is the this is the website I created. Can you see the website? But it's because I did not. It's just a dummy website or every so. So if I want to edit the website, you want to upload anything again, you edit, add to it, and that is how you create your website on GetResponse. I hope you gained something. I want us to see the price. So let's come here. I'll main name here tech. So can you see? It's saying app with Bumi. That is the name. It gives me it gave me another one. Get techwithbumi.com, techwithbumius.com, appwithromi.com, right? So it's just a demo I'm doing for you. So you can just choose any of the one that suits your name and it's interesting to you and you pay $12. Let's just get get wow, is it not interesting? $12 per year. Is it this is very cheap to use. Very cheap to use. $12 per year. Then you go through the next stage. I just said I'm not doing anything because I already put my name. This is just the payment side. Let's see. Then I think you pay. The next thing is to pay for when they added the tax and all and the full privacy protection. Everything everything is $15. So I think the next stage is just to pay. But as I said, this is a demo. I'm not going to pay anything. I'm not doing anything. So I'm going back. I'm going back. So I hope you gained something from this and I hope you're going to be using it the website builder. Try it and if you're going to try it, comment in the section in the comment box and let's interact. If you have any question, send me a mail or you can DM me on my Instagram page or also comment in this comment section. So see you in my next video. Bye.